Hi, so we have a Ferrari cluster here. It's off a 599 and a 612. Both of them are similar, well, they're exactly the same cluster, but just the dial will be different on some certain models. So this customer is complaining the LCD doesn't work properly and it flickers as well. So I'm just going to show you that. So if you have a look here, you can see it's got a backlight to it, but the LCD is not lighting up. Also, I don't know if you can notice the airbag lights on, and sometimes these flicker. So this is exactly what the customer is complaining about. He said it was intermittent, but now it's more permanent. So we have got it in a state of not working, which is really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this over to the engineers to have a look at. They're going to repair it. Again, we'll show you the repair video. Unfortunately, I can't show you the whole video, so it'll show you snippets of it on the video of how they're repairing it, and then it's going to come back to me, and then I'll show you it hopefully working fully. Right, so the cluster's come back from the engineers. They have repaired it for us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it on and show you it on. So as you can see, the backlight's all working perfectly now. It's not flickering at all. All of the dials are working. The backlight's on this bit's working as well. All the gauges have been tested. The things have been on soak test for a while as well, and it's fully working. It's not failed once, which is really good. So what we're going to do is send this back to the customer, try it on the vehicle. If there's any issues, they'll come back to us, but it shouldn't have any issues because we've had it on soak test for a while now. So if you have any clusters that need repairing, any Ferrari clusters, Lamborghinis, or whatever, any cluster whatsoever, we could always repair it for you. Give us a call, and thanks for watching our video.